A very good morning to everyone. My name is Sinye and I am the president of TESP. This is Amira and she is the vice president. So to construct and implement our water goat system, we will first collect or purchase 5-liter rectangular plastic bottles from houses to be used as floating devices. Then we will apply a layer of waterproof paint or employ other methods such as foam to strengthen the bottles. After that, we will purchase a second-hand net from a fisherman or from a store. The net is then attached to the line of plastic bottles, which are strung horizontally with a nylon marine rope. Next, we will use half the aforementioned plastic bottles as anchors to weigh down the net by filling them up with sand or other reusable materials and attaching them to the bottom brim of the net. This will prevent the net from moving along with the water current, thus acting as a barrier to barricade contaminants from further flowing. Lastly, we will install the assembled water goat system in the designated river with metal attachments that will secure the system on land surfaces before reaching the river. So, Amira, you talk about the plan B.
Our second plan to implement this water goat system is to purchase second-hand pool lane dividers from equipment stores as floating devices, which shows our emphasis on sustainability. And we also want to purchase or try to get free second-hand nets from fishermen or any marine equipment store to save cost and practice the act of reusing materials. Then we will attach the net to the line of plastic bottles, as in plan A, and we will use these aforementioned plastic bottles as anchors to weigh down the net. And what we will do with these plastic bottles is we will fill them up with sand and other unreused materials, heavy things, basically like crushed tin cans, and attach them to the bottom brim of the net. This will prevent the net from moving along with the water current and act as a barrier to barricade contaminants from further flowing. We will install the assembled water gates in the designated river with metal attachments to secure the system on the land surface before reaching the river. One of the challenges that we might face is we cannot anticipate the river's current, so we have to engineer the system in such a way that it can withstand the Damansara River's current. And another problem that we think we might face is that once we construct this water goat system, with the residents seeing this water goat system, they might take it as a chance to throw away more rubbish into the river now that there is like a catch all the rubbish. So we have to face that challenge of trying to raise awareness with the people. But putting aside the challenges, what I think is the highlight of our project is that it shows how we can save the environment, clean the river, all while using recycled materials. So we are putting an emphasis on sustainability, and that is, I think, what we should be focusing on, trying to save the environment as much as possible while reducing the use of new materials. I think that is all for today. So thank you, everyone. Thank you.